everyone! Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to learn something super useful, how to resize an image on your Windows 11 PC using the built-in Photos app, which is a really easy and convenient tool for this task. Sometimes you need a smaller file size for an email, or perhaps a specific dimension for a website or a profile picture, and the Photos app makes this process incredibly simple and straightforward, so let's jump right into it and get started. First, you'll need to locate the image you wish to resize on your computer, then simply double-click on it, which will typically open it directly within the Photos app by default. If it doesn't open in Photos, you can right-click on the image, select Open With, and then choose Photos from the list of options. Once your image is open and displayed in the Photos app, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find various icons, and you should look for the See More or three-dot menu icon, which you will then click to reveal a small drop-down menu with additional options. From this newly appeared menu, you should clearly see an option labeled Resize Image, so go ahead and click on Resize Image to open the dedicated resizing tool, which will present you with a new window containing all your resizing controls and choices. In this new resizing window, you'll notice a few preset options designed for common uses, such as small for profile pictures, medium for sharing via email, or large for general viewing, and you can easily select one of these presets if they perfectly match your specific requirements. However, if you need a precise or custom size, you should select the Define Custom Dimensions option, as this gives you much more granular control over the image's final dimensions. When you choose Define Custom Dimensions, you will then see input boxes for both width and height, where you can type in your desired pixel dimensions, and it's generally a good practice to keep the Maintain Aspect Ratio box checked, as this crucial setting prevents your image from appearing stretched or squished, meaning if you change the width, the height will automatically adjust proportionally to maintain the image's original look. If you uncheck it, you can set width and height independently, but be cautious as it can easily distort your image, and you can also see a helpful new file size estimate below the dimensions as you make changes. Once you have carefully set your desired dimensions to your satisfaction, the final step is to click the Save a Copy button, which is extremely important because it ensures that your original image remains completely untouched and preserved. The Photos app will then prompt you to choose a specific location on your computer where you want to save your newly resized image, and you can give it a new, descriptive name if you like. For example, myimage_resized.jpg, before finally clicking Save. And there you have it. Resizing images on Windows 11 with the Photos app is truly that straightforward and simple, and I sincerely hope this tutorial was incredibly helpful for you. If it was, please take a moment to give this video a big thumbs up, as it genuinely helps us out a lot, and also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions, additional tips, or just want to share your thoughts. Don't forget to share this video with anyone else who might find it useful, and if you want more helpful tutorials like this in the future, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.